After the hike up going there, I get to enjoy this ice cream and even a foot spa. Yep, this feels so nice. Do you know what's the flavor of this ice cream? It says here, kumquat. This kumquat ice cream is very unique to Jiaoxi. Well, I had no idea, but it tastes good. It's really yummy. Speaking of the Marian Trail, you can already tell it's beautiful just from the photos. But experiencing it for yourself, walking several kilometers going up there, it feels completely different. That's why so many people want to take that hiking trail. You did great. Thanks. I'll take you to try out other hot spring treasures another day. The other 3 are tomatoes, water spinach, and sponge gourd. You can use them as ingredients. Besides the kumquat ice cream, the Jiaoxi Farmers Association offers many exclusive local souvenirs. With such a rich selection, it's perfect for shopping. You'll definitely want to shop till you drop. Jiaoxi hot springs are rich in minerals, hence it's known as the Beauty Hot Spring. And the place has famous local produce grown using their hot springs. So along with the seasonal water spinach here, other agricultural products are of top-notch quality and have become the pride of the local area. Hello?
Hi.
I'd like to ask something.
Yes?
Jiaoxi is famous for its hot springs, so why are the tomatoes here so popular?
It's because Jiaoxi has its own hot springs that it thrives, resulting in higher mineral content.
Like at my home in the US, we have tomatoes in the backyard. The taste really comes through when you pick the leaves. They give off a distinct tomato leaf flavor.
We usually start harvesting around October because our tomatoes are a specific variety that resembles peaches. This gives them a unique flavor compared to tomatoes from other places. If you keep them at room temperature, they'll actually turn redder and become juicier.
Oh, so you can just eat it like this?
Of course.
Really? I want
Sure.
to bite just like an apple?
Yes, it's fine. Okay.
I feel like I'm drinking tomato juice. In addition to growing sweet and crunchy hot spring vegetables, there are people in Jiaoxi who use hot spring water to raise fish of remarkable size. What kind of fish exactly? Well, we'll keep you in suspense. You'll have to watch to find out. Hi.
Hi. How are you doing?
Good. What kind of fish is this?
Taiwan tilapia.
Oh. Is this the hot spring water?
Yes, it is. The hot spring water where we bathed.
To think people can actually raise fish in it?
So our fish are very happy enjoying their daily baths.
Oh, so are these hot spring fish considered natural or is it a specialty of this area?
It's the latter. Thanks to the sodium bicarbonate springs, they have no earthy taste.
Oh.
It's so fatty.
Wow, so true. Oh, it's huge. Oh, wow. I thought it'd be small.
Its scales are very slippery. It's very slippery.
It is. You're right. It's just like the feeling we get after soaking in the hot springs. Taiwan tilapia that got to experience the hot springs, can you imagine how yummy they must be? And I heard that not far from the city, there's a great spot to watch fireflies. From April to May each year, many tourists flock here. The lush green mountains and the surroundings feel like paradise, allowing you to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. Hi there! I drove here and in less than 20 minutes, I've arrived at this beautiful spot. But I heard that this area like we're at is halfway up the mountain. Is this where you can see the fireflies?
A lot of them.
Really?
Yes, the ecology here is thriving, and there are plenty of snails.
Oh.
The fireflies are here because their larvae eat snails.
Oh.
That's why there are so many fireflies around. The adult fireflies only consume dew and nectar.
So what you're saying is that they start out as tiny meat eaters and then become vegetarians when they grow up?
Yes, that's it.
Oh, so like we'll see a ton of fireflies later in this place? Will I be able to see fireflies all around?
They thrive in darker areas.
It's unbelievable. If you visit during the right season, you can see fireflies dancing right in front of you. They look just like stars, and this is a great spot for watching them. Wow, I can hardly believe what I'm seeing. There are so many fireflies. I don't think I've ever seen this many before in a place with no light pollution. This is amazing. The human eye is a wonderful instrument, better than any camera. Like a while ago, we tried our best to take pictures, but it's true that the human's eye sees best. It's better to experience it for yourself.
It's better to experience it for yourself.
So why do fireflies light up?
It's mainly to find mates and send warning. Most of the time, it's for attracting
I
mates,
see.
especially since they have short lifespans. So they need to find a mate quickly.
After finding one, does it stop glowing?
That's why during this period, they have to mate quickly.
Uh-huh.
Yes, once it has a partner, it'll just be on guard. Then after mating, it'll probably die in a day or two. The female lays her eggs and she also dies
Wow.
within a day or two.